Hey guys, so I went ahead and ordered these covers for the door panels. These are for the armrests because those get worn out after some use in a few years, and mine are fine. I just don't want to take any chances. Now I ordered these. I found them on eBay. They were pretty reasonable, about $60 for the pair. Construction is okay, I suppose. They are a little cushy, which is good, again, I guess. I do not care for this system on how to attach them to the existing panel, but I guess this would allow you to remove them if necessary, clean the adhesive, and be done with that. Now, I had to use some super glue to make sure that these were attached properly. They were flopping all over the place. Same thing on every end. And I think the crazy glue is going to take care of that. It's a minor detail, but I thought of mentioning it just in case, because you want the things to be attached properly to the panel. So, yeah, this is the driver's side, okay. So, installation is really simple. And I'll go over that in a sec, but this area here of the panel where you rest your elbow, eventually, because of heat, cold, temperature changes, it becomes kind of tough, and I'm sure it expands and then it contracts, and you would end up with cracks, and it looks horrible. So the purpose, and again, I'm doing this to protect the panel. These inserts or covers just fit here, and I think they look pretty good. I think they look great. So all you're doing is adding a layer of protection to keep the original panel in good condition. And they offer them in many colors for all the Corvettes. I just, of course, chose the black. You can get creative if you want, but I don't want these to really stick out. So again, the black, and for my car, was the perfect choice. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this area really well with some alcohol in order to remove any leather conditioner and stuff like that. And then what I'm going to do is remove the backing paper. And what I like to do, and this is a personal choice, is to use a heat gun carefully to sort of activate the adhesive. And then when that is ready to be installed, you just position them and press them into place. So I'm just going to use a paper towel with rubbing alcohol. You don't want to use anything so strong that it's going to damage the material. So you just want to remove the backing paper. This stuff is pretty sticky, which is a good thing. But I'm still going to use the heat gun to activate the adhesive a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to use a very low setting here and just warm up the adhesive strips. Oh yes. So next, we're going to position this about where it needs to be, so it looks good. That is about right. You want to press it into place so it conforms to the panel. Yeah, I think that is pretty much in place now. I don't think that's going to go anywhere. So this is what it looks like. I think actually that's a nice touch to an otherwise pretty boring door panel. And here we have the passenger side door. Is it a perfect match? Pretty darn close. So all I'm using is a quick interior detailer and cleaner. And just give it a quick once over. That should be fine. So this is a very quick and easy, I consider it an upgrade to protect your door panel. And if yours happens to be cracked or has some holes and stuff like that, well, the more the reason to install one of these covers and make it look almost new again. So I used a little bit of this Wyman leather cleaner and conditioner, and I think it turned out pretty darn nice. So there you have it. Very easy to install. And I think it's something that at any point you could remove if you want to replace a panel or do whatever. It shouldn't affect removing the panel itself because there's no screws or anything like that, and it just sits basically on top of the armrest. So there shouldn't be any interference with anything really at all. And I like the little details here and there. It just looks very nice. And once again, if your door panel is cracked or has some holes or whatever, this just takes care of that issue 100%. And here you have the passenger side with the door closed. Again, very, very nice look. And it doesn't look out of place at all, in my opinion. I found these on eBay. There's at least one Corvette parts vendor that has them in stock. I paid about $60 for the pair. And you can make your own decisions when it comes to buying a set. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.